Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to delete non-Steam game from your Steam library. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would need to open up your Steam app and you would need to go to the library. So in library, these are all the games that you have played. So to remove one of these game from the library, especially the non-Steam game, you need to right click on the game that you want to remove and then find the option for manage and then choose the option remove non-Steam game from your library. Click on it and the game should be removed from your library. And that is how you can remove a non-Steam game from your library. Thank you.